Hi everyone, Daisy here with my Shop It kit for the Shop It and Stash It series that I'm doing with Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. And I had so much fun putting this together. Again, we're using that inspiration piece and we're creating a kit of items that we bought from, I think we're both buying from scrapbook.com this time, but I wanted to share my kit real quick. And yeah, so anyway, we each are picking out like 8 pieces of pattern paper, and we are altering them based on like our needs. So I don't have a lot of embellishments, so I wanted to make sure that I got some embellishments. And I know Christy wanted, I think she might have gone a little bit heavier on the pattern paper. So they're a little bit different, but they're all based on the same inspiration piece and close to the same recipe. So I have 4 papers from the Pretty Little Studio Savannah Dreams collection, and these I actually got at the crop I was at, and I asked if it was okay if I used them as part of my kit because they are new to me and I did spend money on them, and I haven't used it at all, so I thought it'd be perfect to use these, and Christy said that was fine. So these 4 papers I didn't get from scrapbook.com. I bought them at the crop I was at the first weekend in February. Like I said, they're from Savannah Dreams by Kim Watson, and they're so pretty, and they match kind of the direction I was going, and they match the inspiration piece very well with these pinks and everything. And actually the sides I was planning on using is this. So the words go with the word piece that's in that mood board. I liked the black lines for kind of a little something neutral. Then there's this pink and these florals I figure I might fussy cut or do something with. This is the other side, so these colors also go really well. And then the papers I bought from scrapbook.com, I got this one, which is from the Create Paper Hooray collection, and I bought it for this side because I am like obsessed with mini albums lately. Like I made one and I really loved it, and so I decided I wanted to do some more. So I was thinking of doing something calendar like. I have another one from the Hooray collection, and again I was thinking I could use these pieces in the mini album, but I do like this side as well, but I bought it for this side. And then the 2 papers, so Christy and I each chose a paper, and we're going to include them in both of our kits. So this is the paper that I chose, and this is from the Heidi Swapp Color Fresh collection, and it just has a beautiful rainbow that matches the colors in the inspiration piece, and I am totally obsessed with rainbows, and I don't know why, but I just can't get enough of it. So this was just perfect, the perfect colors for what I was looking for, and you know, who says no to a rainbow, right? And then Christy picked out this paper, and this is from Pink Fresh Studio from the Indigo Hills 2 collection. And I think I'm going to use this side. And again, the colors are perfect. It's got the florals in it. There's some kind of this orange watercolor type thing in the inspiration piece. So this goes really well with it. So those are my paper choices. And I'll kind of spread them out a little bit here so you can see how everything kind of goes together. There. So for my first embellishment choice, I went with the Hooray chipboard stickers, and now I have a huge confession. This is my first ever 12 by 12 sheet of chipboard. I have never owned one of these before. I know, shock, right? I don't know why, but I just never have. So I thought I would get one. Again, it'll go really well in my mini album. And even though I am one who hates like the randomness of things, I'm in love with this ostrich. I'm not gonna lie. I love it. And I really like this alligator. I don't like the llama. So I don't know what I'll do with that. But I mean, it's an ostrich, right? Sorry about my dog. But yeah, I don't know. I just really love that. So even though it's totally random and doesn't have anything to do with anything, because I don't know any ostriches having birthdays, but yes. My next choice was the Pink Paisley Whimsical Floral Embellishments because, yeah, I mean, hello, why not? It's got all the colors that I need, and they're pretty, so it was perfect. I really wanted these, so even if they didn't go with what I got, I was going to get them anyway. Again, from the crop, I have the Savannah Dreams by Kim Watson Floral Fantasy Die Cuts. And again, it has all sorts of different flower pieces, some word pieces in it, and it has like the more orangey kind of colors that I kind of needed a little bit more of. For my alpha, I bought the Marquee, and I don't know, I think these have been out for a little while now. They're like wood grain with dipped in color, and I just really liked them, and I thought that they went really well, so I thought that they would be a perfect addition for this. And then for my bonus item, I am bringing in this Stetzel, and this is Echo Park Good Day Sunshine, and they look like little flowers, and so I thought it would be a good addition to try to get, you know, maybe some mixed media or just some texture on a background. I thought this would be perfect. And then we also get to pull in everything that we did not use from our stash kit. So I am recording this kind of mid-February, so I haven't completely finished using my stash kit yet, so I can't show you what I have left over from that, but you'll be seeing how that incorporates into this kit. I know that I will have like some of the little tile alphas left over, and the embellishments I haven't gotten through as much as I would have hoped. So those will be coming in as well, and I will be using them. As well as I still have quite a bit of that 6x6 pad that I had in my kit, and the other alphas I think will make a good combination with these. So you'll be able to see how we are incorporating our stash kit in with our shop kit, and they go very well together because they were both based off of the same inspiration. And yeah, I'm really excited to get using this. So if you haven't already, head on over and check out Christy's Shop It kit. Hers is gorgeous. It's funny, we kind of picked some of the same type of things, and so it'll be interesting on how we use things differently, and that's kind of what this whole series is about. Is we wanted to show you how two different people can use the same inspiration and come to different places, and then what we can create with it. It's just seemed like a really fun idea to us, and I hope you're enjoying it. And I also hope that if you have decided to use or create your own kit, that you share it with us. I'll have a hashtag down below that you can use to tag us so that we can check it out. But yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye!